Good morning, dear class 3 students. This is our science class. Students, we are reading lesson 14, our Earth. In our previous science classes, we have read and understood about solar system and about 8 planets. At the same time, we have discussed about the term atmosphere. Children, what is solar system? Can you tell me the answer? What is solar system? The sun and 8 planets form the solar system. Okay, the sun and 8 planets form the solar system. And can you name all the planets in the solar system? What are the different planets in the solar system? They are Mercury, Venus, Earth. This blue planet is Earth. Mars, red planet. Jupiter, okay. This is the biggest planet. And Saturn, which has rings. Uranus and Neptune, okay. These are the 8 planets in the solar system. And can you tell me what is atmosphere? An envelope of air surrounds the Earth is called atmosphere. Understand? Now, I hope you all have completed this activity part. Yesterday I have explained about it in the video. So, find out the names of following planets. Largest planet is Jupiter. Smallest planet is Mercury. And planet with rings around it is Saturn. Hottest planet is Venus. And red planet is Mars. Children, here, according to their atmosphere, between Mercury and Venus, Venus is the hottest planet. Understand, children? And now, come to the next topic, history of the Earth. Now, we are going to know some more facts about the Earth, the history of the Earth. Okay, let us read. Earth was formed millions of years ago. In the beginning, the Earth was very hot. There was no life on the Earth. Rains and thunderstorms, thunderstorms. Thunderstorms means Aandhi Tufan, cooled the earth from outside. We live on the outer cool portion of the earth. It is called the crust. It is still very hot in the interior of the earth. It is called core and it made of molten metal and lava. The part between core and crust is mantle. When the earth cooled down, living beings started appearing on the earth. Children, earth was formed millions of years ago. It means millions of years ago, there was no earth. Okay? Okay? In the beginning, the earth was very hot. Okay? After formation of the earth, it was very hot both. Garam rehti thi. Okay? And there was no life on the earth. उस समय earth के ऊपर बिल्कुल life नहीं था. Means no creatures, no जीव जंतु. Okay? Rains and thunderstorms cooled the earth from outside. Rain, okay, heavy rains and thunderstorms, आंधी तूफान, ये सब earth को cool किए थे. Continuous rains and thunderstorms earth को cool बना दिए थे. We live on outer cool portion of the earth. हम लोग earth का outer cool portion में रह रहे हैं. Okay, रहते हैं. And this outer portion of the earth is called crust. Okay, this is called crust. You can see in this picture clearly. Understand, children? This is called crust. Okay, outer cool portion of the earth. And it is still very hot in the interior of the earth. Interior means, look at this, inner core. Okay, earth का बीच में, center में, understand? अभी भी बहुत गर्मी है. Okay, it is called core. इसको core कहा जाता है. Children, what is core? Do you know the definition? The interior of the earth. Okay, the interior of the earth, center part of the earth is called core, and it is made of molten metal and lava. Molten metal means, I mean पिघली हुई metal and lava. Lava मालूम है ना आप लोग को? वोल्केनोज से बाहर निकलती है. Okay, hash, okay, different आई मीन केमिकल इंग्रेडिएंट्स, ओके, ये सबके साथ लावा बनती है. द पार्ट बिटवीन कोर एंड क्रस्ट इज मैंटल. लुक एट दिस. द पार्ट बिटवीन कोर, okay, this is outer core, not inner core. Look at this light orange colored, this layer is outer core, okay. So the part between core and crust is mantle, M-A-N-T-L-E, mantle. Understand children? And when the earth cooled down, जब earth ठंडा हो चुका था, living beings started appearing on the earth. जब earth cool होने के बाद, due to heavy rains and thunderstorms, earth cooled down na? After cool down, living beings started appearing on the earth. Appear means उपस्थित होने लगे हैं. Okay, first of all organisms water से पैदा हुए थे. So slowly insects, okay, aerial animals like birds, land animals and human beings सब इसमें उपस्थित होने लगे हैं, रहने लगे थे. Okay, understand children? This is all about the history of the earth. Understand children? And look at this. What was the earlier earlier solar system had 9 planets. Okay, I hope you all have heard about this. पहले solar system 9 planets रहते थे, but then Pluto was considered too small to be a planet. Pluto को बहुत छोटा सा planet सोच के consider किए थे. It is now called a white dwarf planet. DWAR of dwarf means Bona. Okay, it is now called a white dwarf planet. Now we are left with 8 planets. It means solar system से Pluto को exclude कर दिया गया है. Means उसको counting में नहीं करते हैं. So now we are left with 8 planets. Means solar system में sun के अलावा 8 planets रहते हैं. Understand children?